Hi everybody, this is Miss Newton here. Today we'll be talking about subtracting integers. At this point you probably have already learned how to multiply, divide, and add integers. When looking at subtracting integers, we need to keep in mind the following steps, which stand for keep, change, opposite. If you can remember to keep, change, and do the opposite of the second sign, you should be in great shape. So we always need to follow the keep, change, opposite steps when subtracting integers. So in this given problem, you have -6 minus +2. What we're going to be doing is keep the -6, change the subtraction to an addition sign, and the opposite of +2 is -2. Once we've done this, then we follow the rules of addition. When we add integers, we look at the signs of the numbers. Because this is -6 plus -2, the answer is going to be -8, because when I add two negatives together, the answer will be a greater negative. Let's move into this problem. -9 minus -8. I'm going to keep -9, change the minus to a plus sign, and the opposite of -8 is +8. Then again, I follow the rules of adding integers. Because the signs are opposite in this case, I have -9 plus +8. I am indeed going to subtract the two and keep the sign of the greater numeral. If you're unsure of what I'm talking about in this step, please rewatch the adding integers tutorial, and that should be of a great help. In this case, you have -9 plus +8. The signs are opposite, so I'm going to take the sign of the greater numeral, which is negative, and subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. If you're unsure of how I got this, if I have $9 in my wallet and somebody gives me $8, then I still have a negative amount of 1. In this situation, -6 minus +6, keep, change, opposite. This turns the problem into -6 plus -6. I am given two negatives, so I'm going to keep the sign of the negative numbers and add -6 plus -6, which gives me -12. Again, keep, change, opposite. Keep -8, add the minus to a plus sign, and the opposite of -8 is +8. In this case, if I owe $8 and somebody gives me $8, then I'm clear of a balance and I do not owe any more money. Final example, +5 minus +1, keep. +5, change the minus to a plus sign, and the opposite of +1 is -1. So I have +5 plus -1, they're opposite signs. I'm going to keep the sign of the greater number, which would be positive, and subtract because the signs are opposite. 5 plus -1 would give me 4. +4. If you have any questions, please feel free to see myself or Miss Almeida. Hopefully this is just a good little refresher or basic tutorial in order to get started. But again, have any questions, please see us in class. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.